What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't done it yet, please like, subscribe, and get the notifications because all of these videos are time sensitive. Also, follow me on Twitter. Join the Discord. It's a brand new Discord. We need some members in there. All the links are down below in the description. Anyways, let's get into it. So I'm going to call this the video of low-hanging fruit. This is Mask. So we're looking at Mask Network, and let's just start out how we always do. Let's get our macro levels. So this is the weekly time frame. We're actually going to see where our support resistances are on a macro time frame. So we can actually see where we had candle closes, wicks, and candle opens. So these are our current macros that we are working with, which not bad, not bad. Looks good. Looks pretty good. Let's bring it down to the daily so we can see what's actually going on. What just transpired for the massive gains that we saw. So on the daily, we can see we were in this weird consolidation pattern. I'm going to call it weird because it doesn't make much rhyme or reason, but you know, it worked all the same. So we actually had this right here. So a little bit of a, so close to a symmetrical triangle, it's not even unbelievable. It kind of is what it is. Your measured move to the upside is actually 144% upside. Well, it's kind of between the two. So you get the 144, then for the really aggressive target, you're looking at 213% to the upside, back up to $7.26. Now, that's just what I'm seeing based out of what it broke out of. Now let's see what we're really working with when it comes to support, resistance. Are we going to keep running? Are we going to pull back? What are we doing here? So let's go ahead and first off draw this trend line of the higher lows that we are following, which absolutely amazing. Even wick down below it just to fake some people out before taking off on the daily. My goodness. What an evil asset. Oh, that probably caught a lot of people off guard. You fall down below it, you back test it as resistance, shorts pile in, and guess what? Shorts get wrecked. Makes a lot more sense why this thing ran up the way it did. Anyways, so that is our levels of support, resistance. That's our supply line down there. So it would not be awkward if it came all the way down and touched the supply line again. If it went in a straight line down, we'd be looking at $3.03. But I don't think it's going to go in a straight line down. However, I do know it should come down. We are in overbought territory on the relative strength index on the 4-hour. Your stochastic is awfully overextended. We are currently down 4.24% on the new day. Now this is primarily because you can actually see it on a lower time frame. If we come down to the 1-hour, you can see it almost perfectly. You have this rising level of resistance right here. We're going to call that your demand line. That's where everyone is selling. It is a perfect touches every single time. Now you can see this rounded top as you're rolling over. But worst thing that we see is this low to this low. We bring it straight up, and guess what? Now we have a rising wedge pattern. So this rising wedge pattern, we actually just broke out of it to the downside. You do have a measured move to the downside, which is the widest part of this. Straight down, take this out to the side. You're looking for 13.8% downside potential. However, don't think it's going to go in a straight line. What could happen is it comes down a little bit, finds a little support in this range down here at $4. It could come straight back up to back test, back at 441. This is where people will get caught up. This is where a lot of people will actually believe the price is going up before it comes down further, and you could just move this up to wherever the back test is, and then your measured move is moved to wherever that is. So that's what I see out of Mask Protocol as of this moment. I'm looking for not only this 13.8% downside, but you did break a resistance. You never back tested it, so I would expect a back test at this $3.52. That's what I would be looking for. If I were making this trade, my stop loss would be above this peak right here. So I would probably have it at 458.6. Have it nice and tight right above that. Because noted, if it does break that handily, then your next stop is actually up here at 587.4. So I would like to know when that happened, if it happened. but I'd expect a pullback and then rise. Anyways, that's what I see out of Mask, and hopefully your trades are going well. Make sure you like, subscribe, join the Discord. I mean, I need more people to post all these charts to. I'm posting to myself out there. It makes no sense. Follow me on Twitter. Give me your feedback. Give me some requests sometime. Anyways, I'll catch you later.